Hi. Today we will show how to activate seconds in Windows 11 PC Timer. As you can see that my Windows 11 is showing seconds on the clock. First, make sure that the Build OS build is as this or higher in your PC. If it's not, then please consider updating your Windows when the update is available. Now simply right-click on Taskbar. In Taskbar Settings, under Taskbar Behaviors, make sure that Show Seconds is marked or ticked, and you can see that the feature is there and I can switch it off and on. So this is how you can simply bring seconds in Windows 11 PC easily. Hope you liked the video and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.